Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the tools. Make sure Keyboard Maestro and Roblox Studio are updated. You need consistent app versions. Once done, open Studio and create a macro group scope to the Roblox Studio process so triggers only run in development. Next, record your first macro. Open a place, focus Explorer, insert a part, and name it. This first macro captures reliable UI steps. You'll refine timing and selectors. After verifying it, runs repeatably without manual intervention. Now you refine the raw recording into robust automation. Replace fragile clicks with menu commands or keyboard shortcuts to reduce brittleness, and insert short pauses or timeouts to accommodate studio loading. Add conditional checks. If a dialog appears, close or proceed, so your macro adapts. Use variables for object names and numeric counts, then loop with repeat or for each to create multiple parts or models. This makes the macro deterministic and reusable across different projects, which saves you time. Finish by testing thoroughly. Run macros in a duplicate place and watch notifications or log files you added to trace actions. Make destructive steps require confirmation prompts so you don't overwrite work accidentally. If something fails, step through the macro in single-step mode, inspect variables, and increase specific pauses where Studio is slow. One key troubleshooting tip: enable verbose logging and isolate the failing action. Then replace clicks with keyboard/menu commands. It's the fastest fix for fragile UI interactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.